Welcome students. Today just we'll study how to create a table. When you create a database, you store your data in tables. You can create contact tables to store list of names, address and telephone numbers or products. To create a table, we have to follow certain steps. First of all, click on data sheet tab. Just you can see here. In this window, just you can see data sheet here. Click on data sheet tab, then on the ribbon click on view. Here just you can see view. A menu will appear. Click on design view. When you click on view, a menu will appear in which you have to click it on design view. Okay, in which you have to assign field, your data types for each field and format your fields. After this one, see this one, ID and new field. A save as window will appear. Enter the name on the table box and click on OK. This one, you have to write down the name. Table 1 will be created. Place the cursor in the second box. As you can see here, this type of window will open. The table is made up of one or more fields. You can make it by one or more. Type first name and press enter key on the keyboard. First name and here text. You can't make it memo or date because it does not consist of numbers. So text, first name should be in the text. Like above, click on the next button, first name and the last button, then press enter key. Then you can also type another information just like city, address, phone number, etc. First name, last name and city. These are in the text. Phone number should be in numbers. So like that we can create a table. For moving between records and fields, what you have to do? To move easily and quickly, we have to use certain keys combination. First here see ID 1, 3, 4, 5. Client name Amit, Ritu, Priya, Jeet. Product and item numbers. So just you have to go one by one. So to go easily and quickly, we are using this signs. Okay, this text we are using. Okay. Here we can say these keys we are using. These are known as keys. Okay. This sign is known as first record. Here by pressing it, previous record. This one is used for next record. This key is used for last record, and this one is used for new blank record. So by using this one, we can use database table easily and quickly. Now moving by mouse. To move from one record to another, we can use two methods. First one, record gauge, and another is scroll bar. So according to record gauge, we are having certain buttons and actions. And it is the move the cursor to the last field. End means to the last field. Home means to the first field. Control plus end, it means to the last field in the last record. Control plus home, first field in the first record. Up, previous record. Down means next record. Page up, one screen. Page down, one screen. Moves down by one screen. F5 is used to insert a record gauge. Control plus page up moves one screen left. Control plus page down moves one screen right. So these are the some buttons which are used in the database file. Next topic is updating records. Updating records means changing from old record to new records. Means we are changing old records to new records. In this one, all records which are not required are removed. These records, we can say there will be change in the telephone number, address, etc. And the new records which can be included. Okay, it means that they are added in the place of old records. To keep your records updated with the latest data and information. So it is used for updating records. Next topic, saving a data sheet. To save data sheet, first of all, in this type of windows, click on Microsoft Office button. Okay, then click on save button. First of all, just click on this one and just you will get a menu there, save button. If you are saving this data sheet for the first time, you have to specify its name. Okay, and folder in which you want to place it. Otherwise, it will be saved in the specified place. And the last, exiting the data sheet. If you want to finish the work or updating the database, you have to exit. So it can be used by clicking a close button on the database sheet. This sign you can hear. Okay, I hope that you had understand this chapter. Okay, thank you.